Hi everyone, this is Scott Leroy of Scott Leroy Marketing coming in for another weekly update. And today's update is around how to find holiday pieces. So we just did one previously for the December holidays. It's going to be basically the exact same for the January holidays. Specifically, if you're celebrating Martin Luther King Jr. Day, this might be something that you want to get out. All right, but we're going to take a look at how to find all the holiday pieces for January on here. All right, so first and foremost, we're inside Command. We got into agent.kdb.com. We're now going to go under our design section on the left-hand side. So I'm going to click on designs on here to access all of our designs, obviously. And what we will want to do once we click on designs is then select create design at the top right. All right, so I'm going to click on that create design option. And once we do that, we can now select through any of the designs we want to utilize. I'm going to focus on social today to be able to find these, but once I click on social and select next, all right, now it's thinking right now, but it's going to take us over to the back end of our design editor where we can view all the different templates that are accessible for us. And if you notice on here, we're going to have all of our different variations on the left-hand side. Now for this one, we're just going to focus on holidays, and it's going to have it segmented by the month. So right now, we're just going to focus on January real quick. All right. And on here, obviously, we talked about doing the Happy New Year one previously, and there are a couple other options on here as well, but as you can see, we also happen to have, right over here, everything set up for Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So if you want to utilize any of these, all you'll have to do is go through and click on the one you want to use. Now, you also can segment them once again by social stories, social square, social wide. I always like to go square once again because it'll fit all avenues, whether it's on Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, whatever you might be utilizing. And then from there, you can come on here and select whichever one you want to use. All right, so maybe I want to use this one on here for Let Freedom Ring. I'll click the Use option. And this will allow us to go through, view this particular piece on here. Even allow our Echo Dots over here to talk to us. But then we can also go through and add inside our own information. So if you have any assets already set up on here, you can start to drag this over right away and adjust this immediately. Oh, well, it's not letting me adjust it on here, but if that doesn't work, handy dandy, oh, come on, there we go. Handy dandy option, we can always click on it, delete it, and then add inside ours as well too. There we go. All right, when in doubt, delete. So here you go. So that is a simple way to make this, and all you'll have to do after that is click this little download button to save this and utilize immediately. So I'm going to download this right away. You can save it as a JPEG or as a PNG, PDF on here, not even as a video and a GIF. I'm going to go with PNG for it. Click download, and we are all ready to go. So that's how simple it is to find all the different holiday pieces, adjust it a little bit if you want to. Obviously, in this case, definitely want to adjust that, get rid of that one that needs to add inside the DBA logo, and then save that to utilize right away. So there you go. So that is your KW Command tip for the day.